and happy Mother's Day! Today I would like to take an opportunity and wish you all an amazing and very happy Mother's Day. So I thought I will make something very special today, and it would be a cupcake bouquet. Cupcake bouquet can be a perfect gift for your loved ones. I've got my cupcakes and buttercream ready, so let's start building a cupcake bouquet.
For your bouquet you will need a pot or vase and styrofoam bowl. Make sure they sit nice and neat on the top of each other. Press a little bit so it would sit firmly on a pot. Next you are going to need a heaps of toothsticks. We will fix them to our bowl. Now I will place my very first cupcake in the middle, on the top of the bowl, and secure your cupcake into place. So now we are gonna build a whole way around. Place your cupcakes as close together as possible. I'm gonna grab a toothstick, push it in a bowl, and then I set my cupcake on the top of a toothstick. Toothstick should be halfway down in a bowl, and the rest half should go in a cupcake. So now I have a base layer and I'll start building all in the middle. It's absolutely fine if you can see gaps. We will decorate it later with flowers and leaves. And here you have your bouquet of cupcakes. Now I'll get my piping bag with a plain buttercream, and I'm going to pipe flowers on the top of each cupcake. Okay, I'll start in the middle and making a small circle, then going around until I cover a whole cupcake. Apply a little bit pressure and with a circular motion cover a whole cupcake. Don't worry if you made a mistake, it still will look amazing. You can make the roses different colors. I decided to make white, but you can make any color you like. We've got all the cupcakes roses done. They look so nice and beautiful. So next we will decorate with fresh flowers and leaves. I've got my leaves in my garden, and I'll decorate my bouquet with fresh leaves and flowers. So we are gonna place them in between all of the cupcakes. So this is a perfect way to hide all our gaps. Once you add it all over your bouquet, the bouquet starts looking like a fresh flowers. This cupcake bouquet turned out fantastic. I really hope you guys will try to make it at home. And happy Mother's Day!
So I'm finished with my cupcake bouquet. Look at this beauty, how pretty it is. It's definitely the best present to your mom. Once again, happy Mother's Day for all the mothers in the world. Enjoy your day. I hope you'll be spoiled like crazy by your family. Happy Mother's Day and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.